Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Arvind Great Land Phase 3, that is the park. Located in Chapparkallu in North Bangalore, a project developed by Arvind Smart Spaces. And today we are here to do the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here on the actual site and this is the marketing office of the project. And about the land parcel, it starts from here. And this side is the main entrance for the project. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project, the park, is being spread over of total 70 acres of land parcel and consisting total 430 plus plots, and these are the plots like you can check out. Now about the location part, and this project is located on Chapparkallu main road in Chapparkallu, North Bangalore. And as you can check out, this is the internal road of the project and the main entrance of the project as well. So this main entrance, you can take right and you can reach towards Bangalore-Hyderabad highway. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect to Prestige Tech Cloud Park in 10 minutes from the location of the project. Prestige Forum Mall is 10 minutes away. International Airport, that is Campigora International Airport, in 20 minutes from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities like of 10 acres golf club with swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, garden area, lavish clubhouse with all the indoor games, adventure park and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the plot size. So here you'll be getting the villa plots of various sizes. So it's starting from 1200 square feet, 1500, 1800, 2400 and goes up to 3000 plus square feet plots. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel with the location of the project as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly book for the project. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential plotted project, that is Arvind the Park, located in Chapparkallu, North Bangalore, a project developed by Arvind Smart Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.